Boy, we better watch out here. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. People are driving like crazy in this country for some reason. I don't know. Do you have any explanation to all that?
Their driving skills?
Yeah.
I think they're suicidal.
Suicidal people driving all the time. What did you say? They are turning these things into.
They used to be, you know, bad reputation bars. Now they're bad reputation restaurants.
They turned in from a bad reputation bar to a bad reputation restaurant. Well, I don't know. You know, they have to reinvent their way of doing business.
They have hamburgers, chicken, pizza. Welcome to Det 5 Candy Cafe restaurant.
Yeah, it's nothing more than what do you call it? Hooters in the United States.
Yeah.
It's about the same thing. Pretty girls serving food.
I don't know, I call it a bad food restaurant with bad dessert on the menu.
Yeah, bad dessert on the menu. Yeah. Grill Shack Bar. So you guys see this, right? No, it says Grill Shack Bar. I don't know.
It's closed.
Hostel and Comedy Bar, Steelman. Turned into a comedy? Comedy bar?
Into a comedy. This one, God knows what it was, no longer existing.
Right.
This is a C&B Cafe. Now it's a cafe.
The Garfield restaurant.
Garfield was a bar, now it's a restaurant.
Was it?
Yeah, Garfield was a bar.
Bar.
It's the Last Stand bar, and now it's Garfield restaurant.
Oh.
See the sign, the new sign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last Stand. Yeah, I guess they had the Last Stand before COVID.
Yeah.
So
now they sell food everywhere.
Right. Oh well.
And here's the rest of the bad reputation bars converted into, or actually they haven't done very much on this side.
They're converting a lot of it, yeah, but that's a good in a sense, you know. I mean, they have to provide for these people too, some work, and they're supporting their families home in the provinces. Oh, lost my shield.
I hold it on my hand while we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. I already got reminded to pull my mask up once by a police officer. So they're out here monitoring us. But that's okay. It's not that bad though. I mean, actually in this town with all the dust and exhaust and fume,
yeah, a mask is welcome actually.
you probably should have worn masks just for protect.
Reduce the particulates that you intake.
Right, just for protective purposes for a while. So.
Now Legends is billiards and restaurant instead of bar.
Legends. It's a restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I could care less, but that's just me. Diner.
Yeah, it used to be a Matt's bar.
Now it's
diner. A restaurant.
Right.
And our friend's Italian place, Sorriso, I haven't seen it open. We changed name.
Yeah, well, that's true. You haven't seen this open for a while? Huh?
I saw it open the other day.
Right.
It may be earlier, I don't know.
Right. All right, let me ask him. Hey, do you know if Chef Tiziano is still around, or is he?
There's new owners in here now.
Okay.
Also Italian.
Also Italian?
Also Italian. Friend of Marcos, the guy who was here before. Are you talking about the old guy with the ponytail?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's, I think he's around, but he's not cooking in here nowadays. I'm not sure.
But he's around here?
I see him around, yeah.
Right. Because I created their Facebook pages and stuff, and people are asking questions, and I see nobody responding to it. So.
See, the guy who was there before is gone, Marcos, he's gone. The new guy.
Okay.
He opened at 11 o'clock.
Okay. Well, maybe we come by. Hey, what do you charge? You have big bikes. What do you charge for them per day?
For the big bikes, the 650 is 2,000 a day.
2,000 a day.
24 hours.
Right. You got any riders, or is it just
We've got the fares. We've got the Vulcan here.
the Vulcan?
Oh,
All right.
look at the Vulcan. You love
Then
it.
we have a Ninja as well.
Okay, you have a Vulcan. All right, so that's 650.
650, yeah.
Yeah, because I was thinking of maybe buying one of these at some point. I've been riding my 250. I bought a Kawasaki, you know, that has like the old
It's the Avenger.
Harley chassis type model.
Oh, okay.
Street is a really nice bike, but I don't like the power on it because it's not enough power and it's not allowed on the highway. So
That's yeah.
you know, I want to go on the highway. When you go to Morong and Subic, it takes just to go to Morong across the mountains. It takes about 3-4 hours. So that's cool. So you have bikes for rent.
Bikes for rent.
All right.
For
So,
sale sometimes too.
yeah.
None of the big bikes are for sale right now. We have to buy more actually.
Right. So they are good rentals, the big bikes?
Well, right now, no, but usually when it's busy.
Yeah, when it's busy.
Yeah. We have the tourists here.
Right.
And some of the locals rent them out for a day or two. But
Right. But what do you see? What do you see is the next for tourism here?
you know as well as I do. Who knows? I guess.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. But anyway, is that your accurate phone number?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, I'm going to take a shot of it. I'm a blogger, so
Okay.
I'll put it up there. This is the place to go.
There you go.
I never rented from you, but my cousin did, and a couple of other guys I've told to go here rented from you.
Yeah, it's been around a long time.
All right.
Hey,
Yeah, you've been around for a while.
Hey, what's your blogger? What's the?
Our Life in the Philippines.
Oh, like.
All right. Yeah, have a look at it. All right, there you go. If you need to rent a bike, there you go. Open daily, 8 a.m., 6 p.m., and there's the phone number, guys. So I'll put it up in the description on it. All right, you take care.
Take care.
Nice meeting you. Yeah, you got Deason's bike. That's
That's those for sale over there. The meal.
yeah. Those are smaller bikes you got for sale.
Yeah.
But I definitely, if I rent a big bike, I'd be renting the Vulcan.
Yeah, sure.
So, all right, let's head up the street. Let's head up the street. What did you say?
It's another building.
Yeah, they're putting up another one. This is almost entirely metal framing though.
Yeah, and you can see that's the ramps for cars.
Right, so
So this could be a parking.
you know what?
A mall with the parking.
Well, I'm not so sure it's even going to be a mall in here. Maybe, but it could also be a parking area for that for the big building over there, and they might put up a shuttle train or something in between. I don't know.
It would be an attraction.
It would be. So somebody got to have some money building all this stuff.
Well, there's money from all over the place being sunk in here.
You know, I see construction everywhere, right? It's just like even in the local community, inside our barangay and other barangays, people are building and constructing, building second-story homes, expanding to the back of the lot.
I don't know if you caught what I just said, but there's a lot of money being sunk in.
Oh yeah, a lot of money being sunk in here. But I think this.
That's Barreto's last stand over here.
Right, Barreto's, yeah.
Deli meat, whatever.
Yeah.
They're no longer the one on Walking Street. They closed that one.
Yeah, they
the deli shop and the
right.
restaurant and
Deli and coffee shop. burritos, free delivery within Angeles and Clark. Yeah, so yeah, they closed.
A leak in your faucet is a hole in your pocket.
Yep, that's true.
It affects your love life too.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh,
All right, so here's
many beautiful Filipinos.
car wash. Mercedes-Benz. Is that the Mercedes-Benz Philippine building over there, maybe?
There was the dealer there, the dealership, but they closed.
All right. I guess they don't sell too many Mercedes-Benz.
Not during a COVID-19
Right.
pandemic
Right.
situation.
Hangout Plus. This is also a restaurant. But it was probably a restaurant before too. They always had a bunch of people sitting here. But nowadays you don't see much of foreigners sitting on the curbside here in the bars and that kind of stuff.
No.
Tourists are no longer here. The only foreigners that are here now are the ones that are here permanently. And
Married or stuck?
married or stuck. It's not equal stuck, right?
No.
Okay. There's not a lot. Somebody has it for sale, I bet you. Hilltop Hotel.
The jungle took over.
All right, the jungle took over here. The jungle took over here. Hello. They got some hotel there. Hilltop is down there, and this is Red Planet,
Yeah, the drive-through hotels seem to be thriving.
right? I wonder why.
Hmm.
Drive-through hotel.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
Is that the 2-hour hotel, 1-hour hotel type?
Yes, they charge hourly rates. Enough
Right.
time, 15 minutes is more than enough.
I know about the guy that bought this place, but it looks like he's still open. All right. It is, it's a beautiful morning though. What is it now, about 9:30 or so? Probably.
Probably.
And we are gonna head up to Koreatown, and that'll be our next little stop, next little vlog. You will see that tomorrow. So thank you for watching, guys, and God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Don't
Stay
forget,
tuned.
right, don't forget our live feeds. Wednesday night, Saturday night, 8:15 Eastern, 9:15,
Hi
and
to the massage girls, they're waving at us.
hello, they're waving at us. We are no longer customers for that today. So anyway, our live feed, Philippine time, is Thursday morning and Sunday morning at 9:15 a.m. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.